So let's explore that. Someone who's visiting here with a visa or someone who's undocumented, what rights do they have?
So I think a typical scenario will be someone that's undocumented. Okay, a typical case sort of that I run into recently. Someone that's been undocumented. Let's say they've been here over 10 years. Okay, they're working, they are married, and they have two U.S. citizen children. Okay, they get arrested, be it for example, one case I have for reckless driving. Okay, not even driving under the influence, just a reckless driving, and they are taking they have a criminal case pending, they have criminal court pending, and they're taken by ICE while their criminal case is pending, and they're detained in immigration at the detention center. The detention centers have a court system within them. So what happens is we schedule a hearing for the judge to hear the case, and it's called a bond hearing. We request the judge to release the individual out on bond, and through this procedure, we have to show evidence that, in fact, the individual has been here for 10 years, that he's married, that he has kids, and that he qualifies for certain programs. Okay, be it a cancellation of their deportation, be it adjustment of their status through their spouse. Uh, there are certain waivers or programs for members of the parents of military members. So we explore all these avenues with the judge at a bond hearing, and that's just pertaining to their release. Okay, their deportation hearing is something separate that's still ongoing, but ideally we focus on their release first. So this individual gets taken to ICE. We file for a bond hearing, and there the judge in general has to consider two issues: whether the individual is a flight risk, that is, we have to guarantee to the judge that this individual, if released, will appear at all future hearings. And we do that through showing letters from friends and family, their kids, their job, strong ties to the community. The second element the judge looks into is whether these individuals are a risk to the community. And that's where we focus on criminal records, et cetera, any other violations. And here in this particular case, reckless driving obviously doesn't look good, but his case is still pending. So he hasn't been convicted of the crime itself.